So this tool is a great tool to have on hand when you are teaching your students different math vocabulary. Um, this website is called Study Geek, and this is a great learning tool that has an alphabetical glossary of thousands of math vocabulary words. There is also a selection of informative and educational videos that cover everything from geometry to algebra, and it even has games that aim to test math vocabulary retention, and we all know that students enjoy playing games and learning at the same time. One of the ways that I use this website often is when my students are doing their BAV projects. And BAV stands for Building Academic Vocabulary, which is a Marzano-based strategy where students are given a list of vocabulary terms that they need to know. The way my school implements BAV is each grade level and each subject has a list of academic vocabulary that they feel that the students need to know by the end of the school year. And then it is up to the individual teachers as to how they are going to implement BAV in their classroom. So the way my class does BAV is each month they have a BAV project, and it's due the second Friday each month. So the students have, each month they have a list of academic vocabulary terms that come from that BAV list, usually 3 or 4 words each month, and then they do this project in Google Classroom. But there are 4 parts to this project, and the 4 parts are, they do each part for each term, each month. So the first part is that they have to look up a definition of that term and type it in. Then they have to put that definition into their own words. The third part is that they need to find some kind of picture or illustration that illustrates that term in an easy to understand way. And then the fourth part is for them to research and then write about how they will use that term in real life, not just in math class. So the way Study Geek comes in hand here is with this alphabetical glossary of thousands and thousands of math vocabulary terms. So students can just look for their term, and we'll just pick a random one. Let's go to C, and we'll do corresponding angles. So I click on corresponding angles, and then it gives me the definition of the angles. It already gives me the illustration, so students already have 2 of the 4 parts here in this one place. It gives me a little bit more information, and then some examples of corresponding angles. So it gives plenty of information for students to use on their BAV projects, all in one place. And then sometimes they can even find how that they are able to use that in real life. Sometimes they do have to go to other sources though. But Study Geek is full of, every math vocabulary term you can imagine. Students should easily be able to find the terms they're looking for in this glossary. And then, like I said before, it also has some great math games, which are always great for your students to learn. And then even some videos to use in your math classroom.